Everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel today. Happy New Year. Today is the first day in the year 2021 and we have been looking forward to this year all along. This was the same way we were looking forward to 2020, looking forward to 2019, looking forward to 2018, looking forward to 2017, 2016, 2015, 2014, 2013, 2012, 2011, 2010, 2009. I remember those days when we had 1999 and we were to enter the year 2000. People were panicking. The millennium, the something. They were panicking. All those years have come and gone, and we have seen 20 years in the year 2000. We've seen 20 years. 2020 has gone. Now, today is the first day of the year 2021, and we all say Happy New Year. How is the year actually going to be new? It's in your hand and it's in my hand. If the year is going to be new, there must be some new things you're going to introduce in our lives. There must be some changes you're going to do in our lives. Look at your finances. Look at your marriage. Look at everything around you. Look at your friendship. Look at your comportment. Look at your quarreling up and down. If this year is going to be new, it is in your hand and it is in my hand. That means that if the year is going to be new, there are some things you have been doing in the previous year that you will determine that in this new year, you will not do them again. Doing the same thing all over and expecting a different result, somebody said, is the definition of insanity or madness. So if this 2021 is going to be different, it's going to be new, there are some new things you're going to do. And those new things are the things I'm going to tell you now. Number one, determine that you are not going to quarrel with anybody. Determine now. Determine and write it down. Number two is that determine that your partner in your marriage is going to enjoy you more than ever before this year. Maybe there are some things, issues that your partner has been telling you about. This is a fresh start. Determine that those issues, you will make sure your partner have no reason to complain about anything in the family. And you take your stand. Be a man and a woman of principle and of determination and of diligence and of desire. So you desire it that this year you are going to be a peaceful individual. The world actually is a bit of war and of crisis in the previous years. So determine that this very year you are going to be a peaceful man in all ramifications. Another thing you have to determine to do this year is that your finances. How are you going to improve your finances? Are you going to increase your ability to earn, or you are going to reduce your expenses? So the ball is in your court. You must increase your finances so that you can be able to take hold of better opportunities in this year 2021. Now, another thing that you must do is that you must start early. This is the first day of the year. What have you done or are you going to do in the direction of your goal? Now you say you're going to be a better husband. Now you say you're going to be a better wife. Now you say you're going to be a better child to your parents, a better father to your children, a better mother to your children. You're going to be a better student. You're going to be better than the previous years. What have you done today to move you in the direction that you have said you want to do? So this is another thing that you have to look at. You must move in the direction of what you plan, what you intend to do. What I'm trying to say is that now, you said you are going to be a better individual. You are going to be better than last year. But today now, all throughout today, you will not use it profitably. You go out, you come in, you see friends, you see everybody. You just be saying, hello, how are you, Happy New Year, and that's all. Nothing in the right direction of your goal. Nothing. It's just like the old year just continues. And if you are not careful, that is how it's going to be. So you don't have to allow it to be like the old year just continue. There are many things that you can do even in this new year. So many things that you can do. And those things start today. I did a video on the 30th of December that you should not wait for the new year before you start. There was a company I knew of. It started 31 December 1997. 31 December 1997. It did not wait till the new year. Now, some people are waiting for the new year. Today is 1st. And you have not done it in direction of your goal even today in the new year. Now you are saying you are going to do it on the 2nd, on the 3rd, on the 4th. Then before you know it, January is going. Then February is going. Already the time at this time is about noon now. It's about 12 noon now. That means 12 hours is already taken out of this year. Rise up, wake up, do something tangible with this year, and you have to start now. And once you start, don't stop. Just continue like that, continue like that, continue like that. Before you know it, you will have done a lot in the direction of your goal. I don't know what your goal is, but whatever the goal is, write the goal down. Don't just write the goal. Write how you are going to actualize the goal and start taking those steps. Start today. Start now. Start now. Just keep taking those steps. Don't stand up from there. You can take a 2-3 minutes break and get back to the procedure for fulfilling the goal. And get back. I'm telling you, if you keep doing that, before June or before July, you will have actualized most of your goals for the year. You will have achieved most of your goals for the year. Scientists tell us that geniuses, people that we call genius, that made first class, that do exploits in different fields, they said they only use 3% capacity of their brain. Geniuses. They use 3% capacity of their brain power. That is what they use. So when you say somebody is a genius, is brilliant, is very good, is very intellectual, is very intelligent, you are told that genius that when you teach him something once, he won't forget it. Ask him, he will pour it down, he will give you extra. Compare with somebody that you teach him 100 times, he will not still get it. He will still make mistake. In fact, he may still fail it. The genius, even without teaching him, he knows it. Not talk about teaching him once. He will grab it and hold it tight. That genius is using only 3% capacity of his brain. The same thing. Most people in the world use only 3% capacity of the 365 days in the year. Because most of the things they do, they waste the time. They while away the time. And this is a set time. Don't waste this year. Rise up, do something tangible with this year. Somebody said every individual has a 10-year span that they just wasted. And I look at most people, I see that it's true. They just have some 10 years. You to look at your own life. There are some 10 years that you did nothing to contribute to your own progress in life. Maybe during that year, you failed some exam. During those years, you were just at home doing nothing. You didn't go to school, you didn't learn a trade. The internet is loaded today. You can go and learn inverter. You can go and learn so many things today that within 6 months you know it. You can go and learn how to repair laptop, how to repair phones. And there are many laptops and phones around. Somebody said, Pastor Tunde Bakari was saying that any graduate that is still looking for a job in Nigeria today, that is a compound fool. That is a compound fool. That statement is loaded with meaning. You may take it as if the man the man is not serious, but actually is saying the truth, but in a way that does not look sweet to the people concerned, in a way that looks insulting. Yes, the man should insult graduates that are still looking for a job. Start something. Go and learn inverter. Go and learn how to use inverter. There's no light in the country. Go and learn inverter. Go and learn some things. So many things to be learned, both online and offline. So many things. Don't wait until the 3rd of January or 2nd. Start today on the 1st of January. Do something tangible with your life. Do something productive today. Do something that you are going to be proud of yourself, that yes, these and these and these are what I did. So this is the yearning. This is the call for now. Start what you need to start now. Start what you need to do now. Don't wait until later. Don't wait until later. Start now. Somebody said, what is worth doing is worth doing well. So you want to do it well. So you are waiting until you can do it well. Somebody else said, what is worth doing is worth doing badly at first. When you went to learn how to drive a car, do you drive well the first time? No. When you want to learn how to cook, do you cook well the first time? No. When you want to learn how to bait, do you learn how to bait very well the first time? No. But you keep doing it and it keeps getting better. So what is worth doing is worth doing badly at first. You have plans for this year. Write down the goals and the plans you have and start taking action. Start taking action in the direction of your goal. If you want to talk about entrepreneurship, I'm available. Let's chat together. My phone number is 080-369-10-988. I'm available to chat with you on WhatsApp. Send me a WhatsApp message and I'm going to respond to you. If you're having issues with your academics too, of your child or of yourself, send me a WhatsApp message. Let's see how we can help you. If you're having problems starting things and completing things and continuing with things, send me a message. Then we can hold hands together and then we can move ahead and see that what needs to be done is done. Check my YouTube channel. I've spoken about a lot of things that you can do in the area of entrepreneurship. If you still need more, let me know. Drop it in the comment section below and I'm going to respond to you. This year is loaded and you are going to succeed. You have no choice. You have no choice. You have no choice. But the choice also is yours. The choice is yours. You have no choice and the choice is yours. What this year will bring out, it depends on you. Start taking action in the right direction and we are going to smile together at the end of this year. My name is Olugbenga Adetitun. I am your host on this YouTube channel. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Click notification bell after subscribing. Like this video or you can dislike the video. Both, it's either you like it or you dislike it. Just do one of it. Then drop your comments in the comment section below. And then share this video. Let others also be partakers in this video. I am going to talk to you in my next YouTube video. Bye for now.